Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change default font size in your Mozilla Firefox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change default font size in your Firefox browser, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Firefox browser. In top right side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Just click on that, then click on settings. Scroll down. First you have to click on this general. After that scroll down. Here you will find language and appearance. Under that you will find fonts and colors. You can see default font. It is selected as Times New Roman. Just click on this drop down menu and select as per your choice. After setting the font, you can see a size of the font. By default it is 16. You can, if you want the bigger font, just select the bigger number and the font size will be increased. That's it guys. So this way you can change font size on your Mozilla Firefox browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.